round shape cards. Then green one, again you must cut like leaves or you cut like leaf. Extra paper automatically side. Responsible. 2 or 3 time cuts. Then all of you dear, take the pen, pencil, anyone to make the fold. Press the papers. Number 1, number 2 and number 3. You take papers, slowly pull up. This is the nice one, 3. For one designs. 3. If you interest, you can use. You don't like this one, you can press the papers, twist round. You may twist round. You know this is different one. Another one more. Different one. Some paper waste you can cut the top. Number 3. All papers presents to you can write down. This is the beautiful and nice rose. Slow. Nice. So I came from India and I welcome to सर को प्रेजेंट करते हैं हिंदी में उर्दू लैंग्वेज आई विल गिव प्रेजेंट फॉर द सर को गिफ्ट करते हैं सर फॉर यूर दिस इज फॉर योर फ्लावर्स फॉर गिफ्ट सर आपके लिए स्वागत यू आर वेलकम सर सो डियर ऑल ऑफ यू नेक्स्ट अनदर वन यू रेडी टू टेक द पेपर्स मेक 5 folds fold number 1 fold number 2 fold number 3 fold number 4 and 5. You make 5 folds. How many folds? 5. Very good. Take the scissors. First, design number 1. You can cut like capital letter L. Letters L. Capital letter L type of you must cut here. First cut for L. L shape. L will be complete here. The next one from top. Cut like C. Letter C. First L, next one letter C. L and C 2 letter cuts. L C complete from between V, letter V. L C and V 3 letter cut and open. Dancing dog. 1 dog, 2, 4, 8, 16. You just for the decoration or you keep your library. You can keep your class. Okay. Number 1, number 2 and number 3. Number 3, I will tell you number 3. Another different one. Number 3, this is the very good and nice Indian pen. This is the pen. Take the papers and you make the roll. Inside no paste, no glue, no gum, no anything. You kindly make roll. Just do some roll like this. Roll will be complete. Now, then you are cut it only 3 times. How many times? 3 times. 3 times cut. Designs will complete. Cut 1 up. Second one here. 2 sides, half and half. Make the fold from down, cut straight. So I means one is here, one here and one side open. Take one place open. This is for pen. Sure. For the decoration. सर को गिफ्ट करते हैं हिंदी में उर्दू में सर को गिफ्ट करना चाहते हैं सर आपके लिए गिफ्ट है दिस इज फॉर योर प्रेजेंट सर सो ऑल ऑफ यू डियर sir is very appreciate welcome me and give chance thanks anytime coming India Zama Masjid of my training I will welcome for the sir see all of you inside many practicals Tamil single English 3 language with photo how to ready dolls, rose flower, lotus flower, 20 design, different 20 design. I promise from this book you watch, so immediately every items you learn. See, inside present 20 design book, and I give you one books with some color papers, tri papers. Papers and books, I am coming most expensive for me by auto, bus, hotel, room, eating, very much expensive. So I request I have some books. If you want this book, India price is very much, but here no very much. One book's papers together only 200. How much? Sri Lankan money only 200 rupees for you. Then this one is complete. I have another 2 minutes. We show you benefits. Benefit students, you go to market, you bring the pen, pencil, drawing, very much expensive. But India new project, you can take one time, all everything is no need you can buy. See, first number one, you look this. The name of aeroplane pen. What is this? One pen. This is one pen inside 10 facilities. First, yellow cap. You know yellow cap?
Yes.
This yellow cap open, color pencil for make drawing. You know drawing?
Yes.
Any drawing, yellow. This one finish. You want more color. Mickey Mouse. Open the cap, many colors. You take one color and you put inside another color. You understand? Number one, color pencil. Number second, color. Number third, from side, red one. Red one open, pencil. You know pencil? Drawing? Drawing pencil. Close this one. Number 4 and number 5, you can open center, gel pen and ball pen for writing, exam and anything. So one pen inside 5 to 6 or 5 to 4 facilities. This is aeroplane pen with another pen. This is the automatic pencil. What is this? You can press the button and you open for pencil going come. And I will explain again. If you press, how to you can use, I will explain. All of you here, press the button, open. The pencil will go upside for you writing. Then again you press and back. And you need the cutter. You know cutter? Sharpener. So back side open sharpener. You can keep your and just move. You are moving. The pencil will be complete. Then again you can close. If you students, this pencil is finished like this, finish. So I give a small box. Inside many lids box. With I give you free. So all of you students, this is the box. You take one lid. You take one lid, keep here and press. Then again pencil ready. Writing inside cutter, aeroplane pen inside the pen, pencil, color. With I give you some. This one also many colors. So all of you students, this is packet. This packet you go to market and you take one things, one very costly, but you buy from the sir help and have you money, so not costly. This one cheap and best. Inside 10-12 pen pencil and color. Price only 300. How much for this one?
300.
For all pen, pencil, color. Books and paper only 200. If you want, have you money, you can buy. Money problem, you request your sir. Sir will cooperate with me. Cooperate to I will today give to bus charges going to Colombo, Kandy. I will all Sri Lanka visit. Understand? So anybody interest, have you money, you can buy. Money problem, how many students want to the through sir? You can ask your sir. Okay. So 300 for this is all colors, pen, and 200 for the booklets. So sir, for my program is complete, and I request sir you can.